Now that you got your gun and this is the place, he should be here anytime. Oh, there he is over there.
I'm picking up you want to buy some drugs, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, give me the money. I'll give you the stuff. What is this? Does this look like I'm 5 years old? I want actual money, okay? Actual money. Oh, shoot! Oh! Dang! Can't catch a crackhead, can you? Come on, man, get up. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. You'll be fine. You'll be okay as long as he doesn't come back like that last crackhead. So good. Oh, shoot, there he is. Freeze! Oh, snap! Oh, no! Get down. Go. Get him. I got him. I'm hit. Get the stuff. Get the stuff. Look at this. He was armed. Go. Get it. Go. Right. Let's hope the cops don't find out about this.